Your AI agent is bleeding tokens, right now. Here's the proof. It just flagged a string of text as a real bug, in quotes, inside a test fixture. Then it billed you to investigate. There's a smarter search. Your agent doesn't have it yet. Every AI coding agent has the same blind spot. Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot. They all lean heavily on text search for exact code hunts. But text search can't tell a real call from a string. And that's where ast-grep wins. Watch what that costs you. Meet ast-grep. It's a smarter search tool that reads your code as code, not as a wall of text. A regular search sees characters. ast-grep sees structure. Functions, calls, try-catch blocks, the real shape of what you wrote. You hand it to your agent in one config line. Now your agent stops getting fooled and stops billing you for the cleanup. But how does it actually work? 3 steps. First, your code gets parsed by a library called treesitter. It turns every line into a tree of nodes, functions, calls, arguments, strings, comments, each one tagged by what it actually is. That tree is called an AST. Second, ast-grep matches patterns against the tree, not against the text. You write a pattern that looks like real code, with a meta variable for the parts that change. $var matches any single node. $3 body matches any list of nodes. So if you ask for a console.log of $var, ast-grep finds every real call and skips every string that just looks like one. A console.log written inside a comment or inside quoted text isn't a call node. It can't match a call pattern. Third, it runs in Rust on every CPU core, so a full codebase scan is fast. That's it. Treesitter for the shape. Pattern matching on nodes. Multi-core in Rust. Now your agent doesn't get fooled. Watch your agent waste your money. You ask it to clean up debug logs. With the dumb text search, the agent finds 164 matches across 22 files. It opens every one. But here's what's hiding inside dag-executor.test.ts. A test fixture passes the literal string console.log high. It's not a real call, it's just quoted text. The agent reads the whole file, triages it, and bills you. ast-grep skips it instantly. 12 files, not 22. One example isn't a pattern. So we tested 5 common searches on the same codebase. The dumb search overcounted by 26% on debug logs, 19% on set timeout, 30% on promise chains, 122% on useState hooks. That's pure build waste. Every false hit is a file your agent has to open, scan, and pay for. ast-grep cuts it in half. Quick word from our affiliate, Hostinger. If you're spinning up your own AI agents or coding sandboxes, Hostinger gives you 10% off with the code DIY smart code in the description. Now back to ast-grep. Let's translate that into money. To audit those 22 files, your agent has to open 22 files. That's roughly 11,000 tokens of context. Call it a cent for a single refactor. Now scale it up. If your team runs 50 refactors a day, 30 days a month, that cent becomes $15 of pure waste per developer just on bad search. The ast-grep does the same job in one structured query. Roughly half the tokens. Your agent stops rereading files it shouldn't have opened. But isn't this just Semgrep? Or Comby? Or the structural search in my IDE? No, here's why. Semgrep is heavier. It does taint analysis, data flow, security rules. Powerful, but slow as a CLI and overkill for everyday refactors. Comby is generic and syntax aware, but it doesn't give you ast-grep's language-specific AST node precision. GritQL is a multi-paradigm DSL with logic programming clauses. A real learning curve before you write your first rule. IntelliJ's structural search is powerful, but it's tied to the JetBrains IDE ecosystem. ast-grep is the lightweight middle. A pipeable command line tool. 20+ languages out of the box. Easy patterns that look like real code, fast enough to run inside an agent loop every few seconds. That's the point, not the deepest analyzer. Not the broadest text tool, your agent's daily search hammer. But my agent already has search. Yes, and it's the dumb one. But Claude Code has red and glob. different jobs. Red opens a file you point at. Glob lists files by name. Neither one understands code structure. That's what ast-grep adds. But this sounds technical. It isn't. You don't run anything yourself. You add one line to your agent's config, and your agent gains the new search. The terminal stays untouched. Giving your agent ast-grep takes 2 commands. 1. Install the command line tool, npm install -g add ast-grep/cli. 2. Install the agent skill, npx skills add ast-grep/agent skill. Then restart Claude Code and tell it explicitly. Use ast-grep to find. That last part matters. As of today, you have to name the tool out loud, or the agent will fall back to its old text search. Your agent now has the smart search it should have had from day one. So here's the question. Your AI agent burns money on every refactor. 122% more work than it needs on real code. Are you fixing that today with one config line? Or accepting the waste? Drop your pick in the comments. Subscribe for more AI coding deep dives. If you want to learn more about AI, check out the DYNAMOUS.ai community.